Okay,
we are making very evident progress in this trial, and you can see today we called our 22nd witness, who was the key witness, what we call a star witness, and he gave evidence that covered very substantial areas of our case, and he was cross-examined too. So, and after that, we tendered a series of documents which INEC produced upon a subpoena. So we are very happy with the progress. We'll continue on Monday. Yes. Yes. This is very, thank you very much. That's a very important question. You see, our witness is a very experienced person, a legislator, and who played a key role in the legislation, which is the subject matter of this case. And you see how he gave evidence of the innovation by the new Electoral Act, which is this aspect of electronic transmission.